Alright, trying out a new spot. Literally a creek in the middle of a road, in the middle of nowhere. But this is what fishing is about. Nobody out here. Take the bike. Just got out of class. And just caught a bunch of grass. That rhymed, kinda. I don't know if you can tell, but the water here, at least in Denton, has been very low everywhere I've been, at least like a foot low. So this makes it a little harder to get into place. They hit that son of a gun. What's the bass right there? A few inches. Oh. What the fuck is going on? Scared him away. Me getting caught up in that. Alright, I did change my bait. Something a little smaller. So hopefully. Oh, he didn't have it all the way. Got a little grass on that. Oop, got one. That is why we changed up. So we get a little guy. Oop. So slippery. We're gonna put him back. Hey, tiny bait, tiny fish. Let's see if we can pull another one. Might have to throw it further back in the cove. Something came and swiped at it, but I was too fast for it. There we go. Boom. Got another one, baby. Here's what terminal velocity. Ooh, had a hit. They smacking this little thing, man. This is what fishing is about. Finding the creek on Google Maps and coming checking it out. If I had a kayak, I'd probably clean up. Who would agree? Kayak out here would be money. Nothing but creek. Don't really have much access from the bank. These fish are probably damn near untouched back in these creeks. Get your little light set up, ultralight. It's over with, man. There is bass here too. They're a little too far out my casting range without going up in weight. This is a 164 ounce Leland jig head, dart jig head with a mule fishing minnow, 1.2 mule minnow. I believe that is the Dakota Sunrise color. I think it's a very, very good color to use. It gives a little bit of a darker presentation. But between that and the orange color, I can't remember what type of, well, the official name for it. But the Dakota Sunrise, Karma, and that orange one, oh, you gonna get something. Shadow of a doubt. Oh, no! He must have just had the tail out. That's the problem with these small fish, man. They won't take the whole bait. Also, their mouth is so small, they'll full on have the bait, but they're only grabbing the tail of it. So they're not even near your hook. And you can't really set the hook on some of these guys, which is the problem. And you'll see them chase your bait all the time. So it's not that you can't catch a fish. It's just you have to make sure they have it in their mouth. And I feel like I picked up grass. I caught 3 of them so far.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day. Ain't gonna lie, she about scared the dickens out of me. Everyone slows down because of how the road is, but I anticipate hitting one yelling out at me about screwing me. But I'm glad she was nice. If I could throw up under there without getting caught up, I'm gonna catch fish there. I guarantee it. That spot right there, that overhang, guarantees fish there. My problem, that is a little out my experience range. See, I got hung up right there, and it wrapped around itself. Rookie move. Oh, that's a big old truck. All right, I finally got me a fish, a real fish. Trying to keep them on some of these rocks. Hell yeah, yes sir. This is what creek fishing is about. Go to a creek somewhere, catch you a fish, nothing but the bike, a little fanny pack, and a pole, baby. Had that sucker fucking good, baby. Thank you, bud. Hopefully it's on camera. We're gonna find out. Light lure, small bait, and patience. You'll get you something out here. And it's an alligator gar right there. Well, needle gar. Not alligator, but needle gar right there. He's more than likely not going to bother this. If anything, you'll come near him and he's going to turn the other direction. But there's a lot of life inside this creek. You can just see them all. Just swim. Like a box of chocolates. Never know what you're gonna get. Well, I did catch another bass. I didn't get it on camera. A big old truck came by, stopped and talked to me. And then as it was talking to me, bass hit it. So I do got a picture of the bass, but not on video. Sadly, I'm trying to do it again. Only got about 15 more minutes to be out here, really 13. Because I'm going to be picking up a kayak today. Hopefully, if everything goes well, I'll be picking up a kayak today. And it will definitely be featured soon. I really try to get out here in these different locations here in Denton. But yeah. Let's see if I can duplicate, you know. Do it again. Yay, again! Oh, bait check. And now I have the Z-Man Baby Baller. I forget the color. I think it's blue glimmer, white blue glimmer, something like of that nature. But it's not a pearl. But this color is deadly. It seems nice and slow with a lot of little tail wobble. It's like they can't resist it. I feel like I done pulled up some grass here. Main thing when you fishing light lures is having a rod where you can really pick up the bottom and tell what you're going over, what you're hitting, or even like when your bites. Having that kind of sensitivity really helps you. And normally when you have that sensitivity, you can even throw these light lures with no problem. Not every ultralight is made the same. Not every aging rod is made the same. So always find a rod that suits your style, that lets you pick up, get that feedback that you need from your jig, because that can help you determine how to fish it, because you'll be able to tell how long it takes to sink to the bottom. So from then you can kind of tell how deep the water is and maybe what to do, what not to do. Like over here, everything is less than a foot of water. Like even saying a foot of water is being pretty gracious. So I reel in a lot faster than what I normally. Hey, get away now. This my pole. Get. I'm sorry, there's a loss. Trying to land on my rod. Oh, this real estate. They don't want to come by me. What kind of junk is that? And with the shallow water, man, you can see them hit it. You can see them chasing and all. Sometimes you have to be a little patient. Oop, there we go. I was saying, be a little patient, give them a chance to hit it, and not get the tail. But right here, dead in the mouth. He wasn't going to eat it. He was going to push it out of his area. He's a small guy. They're just little bullies. Oh, no. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, my back. Fish. I hurt my back and I can't bend over that easy. Same lure has caught a fish the size of it and a fish probably 10 times its size. So from a 2-inch size fish, what I just caught, all the way to about, I would say roughly about a 12-inch bass caught on the same lure. Everything in between can get caught with this. They will bite it, they will hit it. And it catches fishermen, because we buy it. Buy it, swear by it, live by it. Well, I got hung. Go home time. Tip of the day, anytime you're fishing, you've been getting hung up in trees, bouncing off of rocks, always cut like the last little foot off. So when you go to tie up next time, the line isn't damaged. Keep that in mind. You don't want to fish with damaged lines. When you get a big fish that hits it, it's going to pop. Or he's going to rub it again, and then now you're even more likely to pop. But hey, have a good day. I'm signing off. I'm going to come back here again, but with a kayak.